This is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your Motorola phone so you can play games and stuff. So what you want to do is swipe down from the top right and you're looking for the option for Bluetooth and make sure it's turned on. So you can just hold it down under one of these widgets or go to settings and go to connected devices. So right here under network. Now we want to go to paired device, otherwise it might pop up under here on your version of Android. And just make sure you're scanning for the device. Now on the PS5 controller, you want to make sure it's turned off by holding down the PlayStation button here for about 10 seconds. And there's nothing on, and then hold down the share button and the PlayStation button together. And this will put into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And the lights will begin to blink just like that. And then here's the controller. Let's tap it. And our phone should connect to our controller. Just hit pair. And now it is connected. Now I believe we can switch back forth between all the different devices now if we hold down the PlayStation button, and then the triangle button will always revert back to our PS5, and then it'll be in order depending on the devices we connect to. So O will be our second device, third device will be X, and our fourth device will be square. So I think mine will be square, so I'm going to go back to my PS5 and hold down both these buttons at the same time. And now it's connected back up to my PS5. I saw it flash once, then I'm good to go, and I can switch back to my phone by maybe going back to PlayStation button and hold down O at the same time. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.